Phantom pain, the pain no one can see. Hello and welcome to the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees, where hope walks again one step at a time. If you are new here, my name is Twiki and I'm a left leg below the knee amputee, and a part of my right foot I lost it due to septicemia. I'm a septicemia survivor and I thank God every day that He spared my life and that I'm alive. Today I want to talk about something that many people never heard of. It's called phantom pain. Yes, it's called phantom pain. The pain no one can see. Now, when I first became an amputee, I thought that once my leg was gone, the pain would disappear too, or the wound will be healed, there will be no pain. But soon I discovered something very different. Very different to what we know. Even though my leg was no longer there, my brain still believed it was. And that's a reality for many amputees. I could still feel my foot. I could still feel my toes. Sometimes it felt like my toes were cramping. Yes, cramping, the toes you don't have. Sometimes it felt like pins and needles. It's like an electric impulse going through your foot the whole time. Sometimes it felt like a burning pain, and that's very, very severe. The other day I was kept awake the whole night because of that burning pain. And sometimes the pain was so real that you would instinctively reach down to rub a foot that no longer existed. And if you never experience a phantom pain, that probably sounds impossible to you. But it's not. But for many amputees, it's a daily reality. Phantom pain happens because the brain and nervous system are still processing signals from the missing limb. Yes, it's strange, it's terrifying. Even though the limb is gone, the brain still has a map for it. Scientists and doctors are still learning about phantom pain, and every amputee experiences it differently, in a different way. For some people, it lasts a short time, but for others, it can continue for months or even years. And that's the reality an amputee is facing. There are different ways healthcare professionals may help people manage phantom pain. And it's very interesting. Depending on the individual, these can include like medication. There are medications. Sometimes it helps, sometimes not. Physiotherapy. There's the mirror therapy, where you stand with your prosthetic in front of the mirror and your brain sees the limb. Relaxation techniques and working with a pain specialist. It's important to speak with your healthcare team about options that may be right for you. But phantom pain isn't only physical. It can also be emotionally exhausting. It is exhausting. The other night I was kept awake the whole night because of phantom pain. Imagine trying to explain to someone that a foot that you no longer have is hurting. People are going to think you are crazy. People can't see it. They can't measure it. But it doesn't make it less real. If you are living with phantom pain today, I want you to know something. You are not imagining it. It is a reality. You are not alone. And your pain is real. It is real. It is a reality. One of the reasons I created the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees is to help people. To help people understand the hidden challenges that amputees face every day on a daily basis. Now, not every wound is visible. No, not every battle can be seen. No, sometimes the greatest pain is the pain no one else notices and no one else can see it. Now, I want to tell you this morning, if you're not an amputee, I hope this video helped you to understand just one small part of what many amputees experience. And it's very important to create awareness out there. A little understanding can make a big difference in the life of an amputee. And if you are an amputee, I would love to hear your story. Have you experienced phantom pain? How has it affected your life? Can you can share your story with me by sending me an email. The email address is in the description of this video. Together, we can educate. Together, we can create awareness, and that is the aim with the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees. Together, we can support one another because every story matters. Your story matters. Every life matters. Every step matters. Remember, from broken to brave together. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.